Hello everyone, welcome to fetsystem.com. Today I'm going to teach you IELTS writing task 1 for the academic version. Academic version is for the people who want to study abroad. There are going to be 3 types of questions. They might test you on any of the questions. The first one is called the describe a chart, in which there would be a chart given. You will have to write something on it for at least 150 words. You will have to write at least 150 words in the given time of 20 minutes. The second one is a graph. There would be a graph. You will have to do comparison, or just state the main features about that graph, or there would be 2 or 3 graphs. We are going to do everything in this course. I'm going to tell you. I'm going to draw a graph. I'm going to draw a chart. Then we are going to discuss this. I'm going to tell you the tips, the hints, the ways you can score well, and the features, the best way to mention the main features of a graph, chart, or graph. And the third one is the process. For the most of the time, these 2 questions come which is related to the chart or the graph, but lately this question has also started to come, which is called a process. So they'll just tell you a process. There would be several steps involved in it. They'll tell you that what is the process to register yourself for the IELTS exam, or I'm just giving you an example. It might also say that what is the process to book a ticket. So it might be concerned about any process. It might be about the process of making some food. So you will have to describe the same thing as you are going to describe the chart or the graph. For all these 3 types of questions, you have only 20 minutes. You should be spending not more than 20 minutes. You should not be utilizing the time of writing task 2, because for that task you have 40 minutes, and for this task you have 20 minutes, and you'll get both tasks at the same time. What people do is that they consume 5 minutes of the writing task 2, and they are not able to write it properly. So just only spend 20 minutes. You will have to write 150 words, and to be on the safer side, write 200 words. And in the next videos I'm going to tell you all the tips and all the things about this writing task 1 for the academic version. Okay, thanks.